Hi, I'm using iNaturalist to identify a plant in my garden. So what I'm going to do is open up this screen. I'm going to take a photo. I'm going to let iNaturalist, I'm going to let it use my location. Here we go. I have a couple different flowers. I'm going to focus on this one. You probably know what that is. Choose that. It's going to prepare the photo. And then if I click here, what did you see? It should give me a few suggestions. And then I can look through these. I happen to know that this is a California poppy. So if I check that off, I'm all done. So I just identified that. And that's how you use iNaturalist. You can use it for plants or animals. It'll help you identify anything you might find in your 1 meter by 1 meter square.